Okay, next problem number 17. Problem number 17. 5 digits. 5 digits. 5 digits. Greatest number to be formed. With the help of seven, 2, 4, 8 and 0 is. Clue is given here. Each digit using one time or once time. Option A 80,742, option B 87,042, option C 87,420, option D 87,402. Four options are given here. Once again, the 5 digits greatest number to be formed with the help of 7, 2, 4, 8 and 0 is each digit using one time only. So, smallest greatest number to be formed. Greatest number of 5 digits. Greatest number. Here greatest number is 8. The smallest one is 7. Then smallest is 4, 2, 0. It is very easy. 87,420 is the greatest 5-digit number from the numbers formed by the numbers 7, 2, 4, 8, 0. Okay. Next, 18th. Which statement is true for 11 and 21? Option A, both are divisible numbers. B, option B, both are co-prime numbers. Option C, both are even numbers. Option D, both are multiple of 3. Okay, I have to check it. Solution. First, both are divisible numbers. No, it is not possible. 11 and 21 are the two numbers which are divided by not another number. So, first option is wrong. Both are co-prime numbers. I have to check it. Co-prime numbers. I have to take a LCM. 1 11s are 121s. The recipe is what? 1. The recipe is 1. The option B is the correct answer. Okay, I have to check it. Both are third option also. Both are even numbers. No, not possible. Both are multiple of 3. Not is 11 is not divided by 3. So option B is also wrong. Option B is the correct answer. Both are co-prime numbers. Yes, the recipe is what? 1. For those reasons, both are co-prime numbers. Next, 19th. 5 digits 5 digits greatest odd number to be formed with the help of 3, 5, 7, 9 and 0 is option A 90,573, option B 97,530, option C 97,503, option D 97,053. Solution for this problem. First I have to read the problem and understand it very important. 5 digits greatest odd number to be formed with the help of 3, 5, 7, 9 and 0. Greatest 5 digit greatest odd number equals first 9. You have to write 9. It is the greatest number, 1 digit greatest number. Then 7, 5, 0, 3. 3 0 is correct, but it is a even number. But problem is odd number. For those reasons, I have to write 0, 3. 97,503 is the correct option. It is a 5 digit greatest odd number. 5 digit greatest odd number is 97,503. Next 1920. Problem number 20. Highest 2-digit prime number. Highest 2-digit prime number is option A 93, option B 97, option C 91, option D 99. So we know that 93 is a divisible number. It is not a prime number because it is divided by 3. Yes, 97 is a prime number. 91 is not a prime number. 99 is also not a prime number. 97 is the correct 2-digit highest prime number. Our highest 2-digit prime number is among these 4 options. Option B is the correct answer. Next 21. Find the greatest 5-digit even number using the numbers 3, 0, 5, 7 and 8. Option A 83,570, option B 85,703, option C 87,530, option D 87,350. So problem is find the greatest 5-digit even number using the numbers 3, 0, 5, 7 and 8. So answer or solution I have to write here. Highest number among these numbers, greatest number nothing but 8. Okay, I have to write once again 5 digits greatest even number even number. First number is 8, second one is 7, 5, 3, 0. 8 is 7,530 is the correct answer. Which option here? Option number C is the correct answer. It is the 5 digits greatest even number. Next, 22. Problem number 22. Find the greatest 5-digit number using the numbers 9, 6, 3 and 0. Clue is given here. Anyone digit repeated twice. Option A 96,630, option B 96,300, option C 99,630, option D 90,960. Solution. Greatest here also 5 digits. Greatest number is 9. Here clue is given here. Any one digit repeated twice. Okay, I have to take 9 once again. 6, 3, 0. 99,630 is the 5 digits greatest number. Option C is correct answer. Next, 23rd. The difference between the place value of two sevens in 27,307 is option A 6,993, option B 7,300, option C 307, option D 40. Solution for this problem. First I have to write a problem. 27,307. The place value of this 7 is 7. The place value of this 7 is 7. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I have to write 30 because 3 numbers in front of 7. So I write 3 zeros in front of 7. Nothing but 7,000. Their difference 7,000 minus 7. 10, 9, 9, 6. 10 minus 7 is 3. 9, 9, 6. Option A is the correct option. Option A is the correct answer. Okay. Next, 24. Problem number 24. Which one of the following is a prime number? Option A 81, option B 83, option C 85, option D 87. Yes, 81 is divided by it is divided by 3, 9, so it is not a prime number. 83 is the prime number, correct answer is 83. 85 is divided by 5 also, and 87 it is divided by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 9s are, so option B is a correct option. Only one prime number. In this 4 option, 83 is the correct answer. Next to 25. 80,000 900 and 5 represent in number form is option A 8,095, option B 80,905, option C 80,000, sorry 8 lakh 80,9005, option D 8,00900. Which one is correct answer? 80,905, 80,905. Option B is correct answer. Next, 26. 16 lakhs 800 and 13 may be written in digit is option A 16813, option B 160830, option C 1620813, option D 160813. Okay, what is the problem? 16 lakhs 813. Yes, 16 lakhs 813. Option C is the correct answer. Okay, you have to check it. It is 16,813. It is 1,60,830. It is 1,60,813. But option C is the correct answer. 16 lakhs 813. Next to 87. The place value, it is very important student. Very important problem it is. The place value of 5 in 214.6. Option A 5 into 1, option B 5 into 10, option C 5 into 0.1, option D 5 into 0.01. The place value of 5. Okay, I have to check it. Solution 214 point, it is not a comma, 56. Yes, it is 5 into point after it will be there for those reasons 0.1. Option C is the correct answer. Last two problems for the completion of this chapter. It is the problems I have taken from the previous year's question papers. Okay, last two problems are there. 28 problem. 28. Find a prime number. Find a prime even number out of Option A is 4, option B 6, option C 2, option D 13. So you have to know that 2 is the only one even prime number. So option C is correct answer. The last question, 29th. In a question of division, if divisor is 51, quotient 16 and remainder 27, then the dividend will be option A 843, option B 483, option C 94, option D 1393. I have to check it. Once again I have to explain the problem. In a question of division, if division is 51, quotient is 16 and remainder is 27, then the dividend will be, formula is then dividend equals division into quotient plus remainder. Dividend equals division into quotient plus remainder. Here division is 51, quotient is 16, remainder is 27. Okay, first according to Bodmer's rule, we have to multiply the 51 by 16. 16 ones are 16, 1 carry, 16 5s are 80, 80 plus 1, 816. 816 plus 27 and 27. 6 plus 3 13, 1 carry, 112 4, 843